Here's how to turn a done-for-you template into a custom product you can sell in 24 hours using AI. So step number 1, you're going to open your done-for-you template in Canva. This can be a planner, a checklist, a workbook. Today we're going to do a manifestation journal. So all you would do is click on the item that you want, and it should automatically open up to Canva. Once you do that, you click on View Template, and then you open up Editor, and then it should pop open into Canva. So step number 2, we go into ChatGPT, and we are going to use DALL-E to create an AI image. Okay, so I've already created a prompt, and so we are going to create this image, and we're creating an image in order to put as the cover of our manifestation journal. Now that we have our image, all we're going to do is copy this and then bring it back into Canva and wait for the image to upload so we can apply it as a background. Okay, so this is the new cover of our manifestation journal. Is download the Done For You product that you have customized, and you download it as a PDF. Once you've downloaded, the next thing you're going to do is upload. Step number 4 is upload your product to either Etsy, Gumroad, or Beacons, and then start to sell and promote your product.